Here's
how to reload a gun.
You heard it, how to reload a gun. Step number 1, find your ammo. Find your ammo. Find your ammo. Find your ammo. Find your Step 2, load the gun. Load the gun. Load the gun. Step 3, shoot the gun at Ding Dong. If this hurts, get up. 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 Grab phone. Grab phone. Load gun. Load phone in gun. Load phone in gun. Cock the gun. Cock the gun. Cock the... Shoot the gun. Out goes the phone. Reload. Reload. Reload, 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 reload.
Keep on doing that.
That gun likes that because it's a freak. That's how you reload a gun to perfection. If this helped, leave a like. If this did not help whatsoever, leave a like. And maybe also subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.